This video we will learn how to name and classify polynomials. We will have polynomials named as binomial, monomial, trinomial, etc. And we will learn all that. So far we have learned that polynomials are algebraic expression consisting of one or many terms, and we have seen that a term has four components. One is a sign, number one is sign, number two is coefficient, and number three is variable, and number four is degree or power of variable. Say for example, if you are saying plus 2x cube, so plus is sign and 2 is coefficient, x is variable, and 3 is power of x or degree. So sign can be only plus or minus. Sign cannot be multiplication or division. It can be only plus or minus. And coefficient can be any numerical value. And variable can be one or many, like x, y. And degree of power can be only a whole from the set of whole number. That means it can be only 0, 1, 2, etc. So now let us take an example of a polynomial 2x square plus 3x minus 1. Now how many terms are there? This has 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. And how many variables? Is only one, which is x. And then what is the degree? To understand the degree, this can be written, the same polynomial we can write like this, 2x square, and we should be putting and 3x raised to power 1, and this we can write as x raised to power 0. So we have now converted all these three terms in our standard format, and our standard format of this is this. So now what is the power of, so minus 1 is one term, but what is the power of this particular term is 0, and for 3x the power is 1, and for 2x square the power is 2, and what is the sign of 2x square is plus. So for the first term, if the sign is plus, there is no need to write, so it basically saves the effort, and that is the convention also, that for the first term there is no need to write the sign. So when it comes to naming and classifying the polynomials, they are classified based on the same things, like number of variables and the degree. And what is degree? Is the highest power. So in this particular case, what is the highest power? The highest power is 2. So this is degree is 2. So for this polynomial, we can say this is a polynomial with one variable. How many variable? One variable and 3 terms, and the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of polynomial is 2. So these are the three ways in which we classify. So one is number of variables. So if there's one variable, one, two variable, etc. And then number of terms. If it is 1, 2, 3, and if it is 1, it is called monomial, and if it is 2, it is called binomial. You know that mono means 1, bi means 2, and if it is 3, it is called trinomial. And then so this is the first method of classifying, this is the second method, and the third method is degree. So we can say degree could be 0, 1 or 2 or so on. So it can be any. So there are three ways of classifying: by number of variables. So if we can say this is a polynomial in one variable or two variable. The example of a two variable term will be like 2x